Is your pantry a hot mess like mine? Well, come with me as I try to fix it. I'm almost too embarrassed to show it. Besties, we do not have a walk-in pantry, so this is our only food storage, and it is a disaster. It goes way far back, we cannot see anything, we never know what we have, and the boys just throw things in there, and it always is a hot mess, even when I clean it. So, our solution was this brand new standalone pantry. I love the modern details, and it holds a ton of storage. Let me show you. When it's open, we have 3 shelves here. We have shelving on the side, on both sides when it's open. And then we have these 3 pull-out shelves. Then I got buckets for each one. So let's see what we can do. First, I gotta pull everything out. This is probably gonna take me hours, but we're not stressing. New day, new sleigh. Yes, I am wearing a different outfit because it is the next day. It took me a couple of hours last night, and then after everyone went to bed, I worked for another hour to get things in order, but I am finally kind of done. Let me show you. Here is the new pantry we just bought, fully stocked with all of our back stock. Let me walk you through it. Starting at the top, this is any snacks that they have opened. So you see the chip clips right there. This is literally all ramen. My oldest especially loves ramen. So this is all of the ramen. There's a variety pack there. There's Bulldog on this side and then all the other on that side. This is all back stock. This is lemon juice. This is all of, they are obsessed with ranch and things like that. This on the side here, these are all also unopened sauces that we haven't used before, jellies, etc. Uh, Tons of chips with the teenage boys. They go up to their room and it's like little man, caves when they are playing their video games. Over here, we have more grab and go things. And then down here is where all of their snacks are. They're in these bins. So this is grab and go, like this is, oh God, honey buns. Jesus Lord. This is like Belvita snacks. This is other snacks. This is Hubby and I store. This is nuts and pistachios. This is Skinny Pop. This is some baked chips. And then down here is actually backstock of things like extra rice, sugar, salt, things like that. So yeah, that's how it is looking right now. As we use it, it's gonna get more and more developed and we'll change some things around. But as for right now, that is what it's looking like. Thanks so much for taking this journey with me. I love these FaceTimes. If you have a walk-in pantry, I'm so Jelsey Clinton of you because it would be so much easier to be able to walk into a closet and be like, oh, everything is so organized. But for now, this is gonna work. I love you guys. I'm gonna FaceTime you every 5 minutes because there's so much stuff happening today. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's, but first I gotta go to the gym. All right, if you haven't already, follow, and I love you guys.